Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes someone who is wealthy or has a lot of resources. Affluent. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is affluent. Let's break it down. First, we have aff, which sounds like AFF, in affect. Next is lu, which rhymes with you and is the stressed syllable. Finally, unt sounds like unt. Now let's put it all together. Affluent. Try repeating after me, affluent. Now a little faster, affluent. And at full speed, affluent. Keep practicing and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Affluent refers to someone who has a lot of wealth, resources, or abundance, often used to describe wealthy individuals or communities. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce affluent and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.